What if? What would happen if gravity is stopped for just 5 seconds? Gravity. Yes. We are all on Earth due to gravity. Earth exists in the solar system. Earth is revolving around the sun. Moon and satellites are revolving around the Earth are all due to gravity. Gravity holds everything together. But in space there is no gravitational force like on Earth. So everything is floating over there. We are all on Earth. Just imagine that what would happen if we lost gravity for just 5 seconds. Unless we are an astronaut, you probably don't spend a lot of time thinking about gravity. We have taken gravity for granted, and it would be hard not to. Most people don't know a life without gravity. Gravity holds everything together. It is hard to imagine just you are helpless. We have been without it until it's actually gone. Gravity is an attractive force between any two masses and is given by an equation F is equals to G into m divided by r square. The greater the mass, the greater will be the gravity. Greater the gravity, stronger will be the pull. Gravity is the reason why Earth rotates around the sun. So we experience high and low tide. We walk on Earth without floating away. Gravity secures our atmosphere, holding in the air we need to breathe. Just 5 seconds, with the world still spinning at its usual 1600 km per hour, everything that isn't secured firmly to the ground would go flying. Cars, trains, vehicles, planes, everything will fly. The Earth spins faster along the equator, so the impact of zero gravity would be felt hardest there. At equator, you could experience wind almost 6 times stronger than the ones produced by Hurricane Katrina. Within the span of 5 seconds, you could be blown as far as 3.2 kilometers in any direction. Plenty of peoples, animals to look out for trees, soil, and mid-air floats from the woods, pond, lakes, seas, oceans. Meanwhile, the gases in the atmosphere would drift out into the space. Not only we are losing huge amount of oxygen, but the sudden and sharp drop in the air pressure would instantly shatter everyone's inner ear. Without the gravity, the pressure of the Earth in the inner core will cause the planet to expand. It's not like 5 seconds without the gravity would cause the world to explode. But even a 5 seconds expansion of Earth's inner core would cause some major earthquakes and trigger huge volcanic eruptions and the dangerous things flying through the sky, that is lava. Out in space, the planet in our solar system that normally orbit the sun would instead start drifting away from it. Earth would follow its neighbors at a speed of 30 km per second. In just 5 seconds, it would have traveled 150 kilometers. When gravity was restored, you did hit the ground harder, you will severely injured. You would catch your breath in time, with gravity pulling oxygen back down to Earth and bringing atmosphere back around the planet. But there would be still earthquakes and volcanic eruptions as the Earth's inner core become compressed again. And there would still be massive flooding due to the significant displacement of the oceans. The number of cascades would be astronomical, not just from flying debris, lack of oxygen, or simultaneously natural disorders, but because these 5 seconds without gravity, the Earth's crust literally opened up and swallowed down several major cities. A lot can happen in just 5 seconds, and that goes to show how essentially gravity is to life on Earth.